The Tiger King. Exam oriented questions and answers. Short answer type questions and answers in not more than 40 words each. Question number 1. Who was the Tiger King? How was he named it? अथवा What did the astrologers tell when the Tiger King was born? अथवा What prediction was made at the Tiger King's birth? अथवा What prediction was made by the astrologer about the Tiger King? अथवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What did the astrologer tell about the death of the Tiger King? अथवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. What was the astrologer's prediction about the Tiger King's death? अथवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Why did the Maharaja kill the tiger in the forest of his state Pratibandhapuram? अथवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. What was the forecast made by the chief astrologer regarding the Tiger King? अथवा What did the chief astrologer say to the Tiger King? अथवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. What was the role of the astrologer in the story The Tiger King? अथवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. Why did the Maharaja start hunting tigers? इन सभी सवालों का जवाब एक ही है, इसलिए इनको इकट्ठा करके लिख दिया गया था. आंसर. द टाइगर किंग वाज द महाराजा ऑफ प्रतिबंधपुरम जिलानी जंग बहादुर. He got this name since his birth. The chief astrologer of the state had said that his death would occur because of a tiger and he should be especially wary of the 100th tiger. The king took it to heart and started killing all the tigers in the Pratibandhapuram forests. Question number 3. What miracle did take place at the time of the Tiger King's birth? तो जितने भी अथवा लगा के OR लगा के क्वेश्चन हैं उनका मतलब यही है कि उन सभी एक जैसे प्रश्नों का उत्तर इकट्ठा दिया गया है. तो क्वेश्चन 3 का आंसर आपके सामने आ चुका है कि When the Tiger King was only 10 days old, royal astrologers predicted that one day he would have to die. At this, the infant asked them to tell the manner of his death. All were surprised to hear the infant speaking so clearly. This was a miracle. Miracle means चमत्कार. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What terrifying words emerged from the lips of the Tiger King? Answer. As soon as he heard it pronounced, the crown prince gave a deep growl. Terrifying words emerged from his lips. Let tigers be aware. राजा ने कहा कि अरे मैं नहीं, टाइगर को कह दो कि वो सावधान मुझसे रहे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, हाउ वाज द टाइगर किंग ब्रॉट अप? टाइगर किंग का पालन पोषण किस तरह से हुआ? आइए देखते हैं आंसर। एज ए चाइल्ड द टाइगर किंग वाज ब्रॉट अप बाय एन इंग्लिश नैनी एंड tutored in English by an Englishman. He was given the milk of an English cow. Question number 9. What did the astrologer say at the death of the first tiger? Answer. When the Maharaja boasted about killing the first tiger, the astrologer said that he may kill 99 tigers but must be very careful with the 100th tiger. Question number 10. Why was it the celebration time for the tigers of Pratibandhapuram? Answer. It was a celebration time for all the tigers inhabiting Pratibandhapuram because the Maharaja banned tiger hunting in the state except the Maharaja. No one was allowed to hunt tigers. It was proclaimed that if anyone was found hunting a tiger, all his property and wealth would be seized. राजा ने सबको चेतावनी दे दिया कि अगर किसी ने मेरे अलावा शिकार किया टाइगर्स का तो उसका सारा संपत्ति मैं सीज कर लूँगा, जब्त कर लूँगा। इसलिए टाइगर्स का बाहर आ गया। चलिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। वाई वाज द किंग वंस इन डेंजर ऑफ लूजिंग हिज थ्रोन? राज सिंहासन को जो है त्यागना पड़ सकता था, किस कारण से? ये देखते हैं। खतरे में पड़ गए थे राजा। आंसर। द टाइगर किंग वाज इन डेंजर ऑफ लूजिंग हिज किंगडम व्हेन ही एनवाइड ए सीनियर ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर बाय रिफ्यूजिंग हिम परमिशन टू नॉट ओनली हंट ए टाइगर इन प्रतिबंधपुरम बट आल्सो रिजेक्टेड द ऑफिसर्स रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ बीइंग फोटोग्राफ्ड विथ ए टाइगर किल्ड बाय द महाराजा। उन्होंने एक सीनियर ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर को मना कर दिया था टाइगर की हंटिंग के लिए, और ना ही वो फ़ोटो खिंचवाने के परमिशन के लिए राजी हुए, तो इसीलिए वो धमकी पाए थे। तो चलिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 में क्या है कि हाउ डिड द किंग सेव हिज थ्रोन? राजा ने अपना राज सिंहासन कैसे सेव किया, कैसे बचाया? हाउ मच लॉस डिड ही बियर? कितना घाटा उनको सहना पड़ा, क्या नुकसान? Answer. He sent about 50 samples of expensive diamond rings to the officer's wife to make amends, hoping she would keep one or two rings as a bribe. But the greedy lady kept all the rings. The Maharaja lost 3 lakh rupees, but he retained his kingdom. भले 3 लाख रुपए चले गए, लेकिन राजा ने अपना किंगडम, अपना राजधानी, अपना राजपाट, राज संभाल ले गया, बचा ले गया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13। वाई डिड द टाइगर किंग डिसाइड टू मैरी? टाइगर किंग ने शादी करने के लिए क्यों राजी हुआ, क्यों फैसला किया? आंसर देखते हैं। द महाराजा सडनली डिसाइडेड टू मैरी बिकॉज फर्स्टली ही वॉज ऑफ मैरिजेबल एज एंड सेकेंडली ही वांटेड टू किल 30 more tigers in his father-in-law's estate in order to complete the tally of 100 tigers. For this reason, he wished to marry a girl in the royal family of a state with a large tiger population. Question number 14. What happened when there remained only one tiger to be hunted? Answer. The Maharaja's anxiety reached a fever pitch when there remained just one tiger to achieve his tally of 100. He had this one thought during the day and the same dream at night. By this time, the tiger farms had run dry even in his father in law's kingdom. It became impossible to locate tigers anywhere. Question number 15. What happened when the Tiger King did not find any tiger? I mean, 100th tiger, Soma tiger, Soma cheetah for hunting. चलिए तो आंसर नंबर 15 देखते हैं कि डिस्पाइट बीइंग इन द फॉरेस्ट फॉर मेनी डेज महाराजा कुड नॉट फाइंड द 100th tiger, so his fury and obstinacy mounted alarmingly. Due to his frustration and rage, many officers lost their jobs, and when his anger reached its height, he ordered the Diwan to double the land tax. Question number 16. How did the Diwan manage the situation to find the 100th tiger when the king became extremely furious? Answer. The Diwan had brought a tiger from the People's Park in Madras and kept it hidden in his house. When the Maharaja threatened him with dire consequences, he understood that the only way to save himself was to plant a tiger for the kill. So he and his aged wife dragged the tiger to the forest where the king was hunting. Question number 17. When the hunters went close to look at the dead 100th tiger, what happened? Answer. आप लोग समझते रहें, याद करते रहें. Answer. The Maharaja, pleased to have finally killed the 100th tiger after he left, the hunters took a closer look at the tiger and realized the tiger was not dead. As the king had missed the aim, they decided not to tell the Maharaja, and one of the hunters killed the tiger. Question number 18. What gift did the king find perfect to give his son on his birthday and why? तो राजा के पुत्र का जन्मदिन मनाया जा रहा था और राजा ने कौन सा उपहार परफेक्ट समझा, उपयुक्त समझा. आइए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 का आंसर. He thought he had killed the 100th tiger also, but somehow the bullet missed its mark and the 100th tiger survived. Then on his son's birthday, the king bought him a wooden tiger, which he felt was a perfect gift for his son. Question number 19. How was the birthday gift? What happened to the king? Answer. The wooden toy tiger the king had got as a birthday present for his son had been carved by an unskilled carpenter. It had a rough surface with tiny slivers of wood standing up like quills all over it. One of those slivers pierced the Maharaja's right hand, and although the king pulled it, his arm got infected. Question number 20. How was the operation successful? Answer. It has been said that the operation was successful. One reason for saying this may be that the doctors were able to remove infection, but the Maharaja could not survive. So, for the doctors, the operation was a success as they were able to complete their aim of removing the infection. Question number 21. How did the Maharaja in the story The Tiger King eventually kill the 100th tiger? Answer. The Tiger King did not take careful aim at the 100th tiger. The tiger fainted due to the sound of the bullet and fell into a crumpled heap. No one wanted the Maharaja to know this. It was a hunter who shot the tiger later. Question number 22. It was a hunter who shot the tiger later. बाद में एक शिकारी ने मारा था, राजा ने 100वां टाइगर नहीं मार पाया था. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. व्हाट वाज द बर्थडे गिफ्ट दैट महाराजा स्पॉटेड इन ए टॉय शॉप? तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 का आंसर देखेंगे. ही स्पॉटेड ए वुडन टाइगर इन ए टॉय शॉप and decided it was the perfect gift for his son's birthday. When both son and father were playing with the wooden tiger, one of the tiny silver on the wooden tiger pierced the Maharaja's right hand. Question number 26. What is the old saying that the Maharaja knew? Answer. The Maharaja knew the old saying, you may even kill a cow in self-defense. There could certainly be no objection to killing tigers in self-defense. तो जैसा कि राजा को यह विदित था कि आप अपनी सुरक्षा में, आत्मरक्षा में एक गाय को भी मार सकते हैं, तो इसलिए राजा ने कहा कि मैं अगर टाइगर को मार रहा हूँ अपने आत्मसुरक्षा में तो मैं कोई अपराध नहीं कर रहा हूँ. यह तो आप लोग इस वीडियो को देखें, समझें और अपनी तैयारी को और बढ़िया से बढ़ाएं. लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें ताकि नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे. थैंक यू.